Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. Another in the series. Hit that like button right away, guys. Let's go, let's go. Hit that right. If you don't subscribe, you know what you need to do. Do what you have to do now. Subscribe so you can get notification when I'm going live free classes. If you want to be a part of my awesome marathon coming up, this is my number 5492161. I also have regular classes going on. Grade 5, grade 4, grade 3. You guys as well. Let's go, let's go. All right, let's get into the question. It says diagram below shows a triangle X, Y, and Z on a square grid. So you see there X. I don't see the Y as yet. Okay, cool. See the Y there. And then you have the Z. All right. Let's see what the question is, you know. Say triangle X map onto triangle Y by a reflection. Say the equation of the mirror line. So what they want to know what line it was reflected in. So it's already reflected. This look at the x-axis. Let's test it. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's a reflection in the x-axis, and of course the x-axis is the line y equals 0. So it's y equals 0, and you get the full marks. Let's move on. It says now describe fully the transformation that maps triangle X onto triangle Z. So triangle X and Z. Let's go back up to it. X and Z, our focus now. So this is X, this is Z. Look like a rotation. Alright, so that looks like a rotation of counterclockwise of 90 degrees. Let's test it. What you can do to test it, guys, if you know the matrix for it, this is what 6, 2. This is the point 6, 2 right here, right? So you can test probably 2 points. This is the point 4, 4. Alright, so I'm going to test it. What you can do, if you know the counterclockwise matrix, it's 0, -1. You guys should have known this already, right? If you don't, yeah, this is it. And this is for 90 degrees. There are others. I did a video on all of these already, so I expect you guys to go and try and watch it, alright? We have like the 270, the 90, etc. So we just multiply it to find the new. So 0 times 6, that's 0. -1 times that, -2. So the top one are going to be -2. 1 times 6, that's 6 plus 0. So the new point would be -2, +6. So what we can do, look if this point is there. I see it, so it's -2, 6. See there? This here, I see it, you know. Yeah. Alright, look for the 4, 4, 1 now, which is this point. So let's go. So you do the same thing again. 0. Hit the like button if you appreciate the work I'm going to try put in, guys. Hit the like button if you appreciate it, what I'm going to do. And everybody has to appreciate me, you know, I appreciate myself. Alright, so 0 times 4, that's 0. -1 times 4, that's -4. 1 times 4, that's 4. And then 0 times 4, 0. So the new point is going to be -4, +4. Let's see. Let's test the theory. Yeah, see there? -4, +4. So x is -4, well, that is negative. Guys, try to know these. Alright. For the, and this is a counterclockwise. For 180, it's -1, 0. What a 1, 0, and -1. And this is for 180. So you have to know these little things, guys. Alright, can help you a lot. And then for the 270, it would be 0, 1, -1, 0. And this is the 270. But as I say, guys, you have to know these for yourselves. Alright. And this is the counterclockwise. You know, you have the counter one as well. Alright, so that is I was right. It's a rotation anti-clockwise 90 degrees. it's a rotation. Once the shape change, you know that it can be a translation, right? Or a reflection. Reflection, you know that it have to be facing it. Alright, it says on the diagram on page 10, translate y as a set translation. Triangle y using the vector -7, 1. Label the image B. So let me see, triangle y, me go angle. Let me angle triangle y, and it's -7, 1. Now it's a translation of, let me write the translation. So the translation is -7, 1. Meaning, we're gonna move, just think of translation as if it's negative, if x is negative, we're gonna move 7 places to our left and 1 up. So I'm gonna clear off this because it should be going this direction. The fact that it's -7 and then go up. So let's do that. So guys, an easy way to do it, the mathematical way, is to add the coordinates. So you have more than one option to do this. You can literally take each point and say 7 across, 1 up. Or if you like algebra and those things, you can add it, the coordinate, so -7 and 1 to each coordinate. So I could do both ways and then see if we match up. So this is the point. You know, you have to read the x first. You remember that this is 4, -4. Read the x first again. This is 6, -2. And this one now, this can be a little tricky for guys. This is the y-axis, so x is 0 on this. So this is 0, -2. Remember, the x-axis is the line y equals 0, while the y-axis x is 0. So all we have to do now is just add -7 to both of these. So I could do it here, so we can do it here, so because we're not going to be going this direction. So 0, -2, and we add. I think this is a longer way though, but I just want students to have an idea of which way they want to choose. 0 plus that, that's -7, and -2, and that -1. So long and short of it, we're gonna plot this point here at x is -7 while y is 1. So -7 is about here, and 1 is right here. So this is this point. And it makes sense, right? 7 across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 up because y is positive. All right, let's plot another one. As I say, guys, we can literally just say 7 across, but I'm just showing the steps because, you know, some students like different things. So this is supposed to be -4 plus 7 and 1. So this is -3, -3. So we just plot this point here, -3, -3, right here. And the final one, which is this 6, 2. So we have 6, 2 plus -7 and 1. So this is -1 plus 3. So -1, 3. So -1 is over here, and we go down all the way to 3. 3 is here. Here, so I did something wrong with this, you know. What's this? We have what? +6. Oh, this is supposed to be -2. So this is supposed to be. Alright, remember about this guys. Sorry about that. Yes, yes, Mr. Ben. So we have +6, so that's -1. And of course, this was supposed to be -2, so this is -1. So it's actually -1, -1. So this is the right here. That makes sense now. Alright, let me draw one color something now and get it drawn out. Alright. So to draw it like that now. and we have the translation. Notice the shape does not change. It's the same shape. It only goes 7 across and 1 up. But the size and everything remain the same. Alright? So they ask us to do that, we complete that. And label it D. Alright, I'm going to go back and label it D. You see, on the diagram, enlarge the triangle X about the center 0 and a scale factor of a half. Label it W. And X will do. So let me label this one B, and then the scale factor of a half. So this one is B. Alright, them say X again we must use, but this time enlarge it by half. So I'm going to use the coordinates to do that. Let me clear this first, guys, and then it would too messy. Let me clear it. Alright, so clear that. Alright, so it says now we must use X with the scale factor of a half. So all we're going to be doing, guys, is just multiply the coordinates by a half, basically. So a half is just dividing by 2, so this would be 2, 2. So this point should be 2, 2. So that's right here, which is this point here. This one, we divide it by 2 as well, so that's 3, 1. So this would be here. And then for this point, remember this is the exact the y-axis, so x is 0, so this point is 2, 0. And if we divide it by 2 or multiply by a half, we're going to get 1, 0. So the new point is 1, 0, which is right here. Let me use a different color. You know the thing going on, guys. You know the thing go. You know the thing go. We got my son Sanjay Bennett. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna draw it now, guys. I'm gonna draw so straight, you know. What I'm going with my hand. One of the things you can do to check it, you check the size, right? So this is 1, 2, 3 units. That means this should be 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So you check if it's correct. So it is indeed correct. Alright. I love this question. CXC, I love this question. This question is awesome. Guys, I'm gonna do something and I'm gonna come right back. I love this question. Awesome. Guys, join the marathon. My number is 876-549-2161. Alright, guys, so I kind of get a little bit childish and I went ahead and color it. But I love this question. This is awesome. So basically, they test all your skills, right? They test for reflection, rotation, translation, and enlargement. So I say big up to the CXC crew for this question. Teachers, ensure that you're teaching all the kids all the topics because CXC literally tests all of it here. Alright, I personally have not gone through this with my class, so that's why I'm doing this video. But it was good, it was really good. Alright, let me see if anything leave down there. Alright, and that's it, and that's worth 9 marks. Alright, so that was it, guys. Very nice question. If you want to join the marathon and put my number again, by now everyone should have my number. If you don't have my number, I don't know what's happening, guys. I don't know what's happening. Big up to I heard there's a girl from Old Harbor who watch all my videos. Thank you so much. I have a cousin at St. Mary's College. Big up yourself. Alright, thank you for that. She tell me that you watch all my videos, like all of them. So thank you. Much appreciated. Alright. Thanks again, guys. I'm out. No doubt. I'll see you guys in another video.